The rear preload adjuster on the Concours 14, when I received it, was completely bound up. I could get it maybe to click once. It's still fairly stiff. I can get 6 clicks out of it, but it's supposed to have something like 24. So I'm going to remove the rear passenger peg bracket and remove the adjuster and try to spray WD-40 into it with it facing down. I already sprayed some WD-40 into it. That's why I was able to go up from 1 click to 6. That does seem to be working, and this seems to be the issue with the adjustment rather than something with the actual piston. Well, I did spray WD-40 in there as well. Hopefully that helps, but let's see if I can get a few more than just 6 adjustment clicks out of it by removing it and spraying WD-40 down into it. So I believe if I remove these 2 bolts here, I should be able to have the adjuster free in my hand and I can spray WD-40 down into it. Yeah, so this should be able to get the WD-40 much easier into it. Yeah, right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, I can get a lot more clicks in it now. And I think it's because I let the WD-40 sit for several days. Still going to lubricate it some more, see if I can get it to loosen up a little bit more. Right in there. That's what freed it up the first time, and it looks like it's working better. Wipe it down a bit. You can tell the previous owner, instead of lubricating it, he took some pliers or something to try to adjust it. It's all chewed up. One thing I was worried about is that maybe the adjuster wasn't having an effect on the shock, but I do see this gap here changes as I adjust it. Right there's the full preload, so it's all the way down. Let's go to full soft, and we should see this gap close. Yep, definitely closing. The preload adjuster seems to be working back to normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, I can get full adjustment out of it now. Yeah, I get all 24 clicks. So I am fairly lightweight. I'm gonna set it to the original factory setting. Then when I have a passenger on board, give it a few clicks. If you're finding my Concours 14 content useful, please consider subscribing. I'll be uploading a lot more videos on any maintenance or repairs I do on this bike. For the spring preload, the base setting is 12 clicks out of 24. So that's what I'm going to set it at. It says it's for a 150-pound rider. I'm a little bit heavier than that, especially with gear, but because I am feeling the suspension pretty stiff, I'm going to start here and then adjust up or down from there. Yeah, so there it's full tight. Let's go 12, 11, 12. Okay, looks like we're good to go. I'll start there and adjust as needed.